So hello and welcome to my channel, my dear friends. Welcome to Clips Uncut. I had reviewed the Mi Band 5 a few days ago. Along with the band, I had also ordered a few bands and the screen protector, which is still in, if it's still coming. I had ordered it via AliExpress, the bands and the screen protector. One of the bands has just arrived. Actually, it arrived a couple of days back. I think, yeah, a couple of days back, but I was just couldn't do the unboxing, unpacking rather. So let's unpack this. Let's see which one it came. I ordered, along with this, I ordered 3 more bands, total of 4 bands and 2 screen protectors. I'm not affiliated with AliExpress, but I'll try to leave the link in the description. You guys can check it out. So let's unpack this and see what does it look like. And I think it was the gray one, and they have like fabulous other colors, like military colors, gray, white, black, blue, you name it. There are a lot of varieties. Okay, and it took about like 25 days. And this one, yes, so I was excited about this one at the time when I ordered this, guys. This one came for $3. It was for $3.04 shipped, and it took about, I would say, like 35 days or so, maybe maybe around a month. So this one is from Celbro, and let's do the unpacking. And it's a bracelet for Xiaomi MiBand 5. I think the 5 and the 4, they are kind of similar size, and it's a silicone strap. So the build quality is just almost like the original band. Of course, you cannot match this one, but it's, I would say, 98% same. The texture, the material, right? Yep. So there's a good click, as you heard it. So it's got a like a military style theme going on over there. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's not like a full gray color. It's a mixture of like a military gray, black, digitized color theme. So let's quickly see if it fits. So I'm going to remove this from the original band, and then we can see if it was worth ordering, and if it does fit. If it doesn't fit, whatever the case may be, right? I have not removed this. I hope I don't break this. I really like this band. I really like this Mi Band 5. It's worth every penny so far I've used. Oh, okay, so there was some water in it. I'm just gonna quickly, while we're there, so just give it a nice clean. Okay, so how did I remove this, and how is it supposed to be? Okay, I'm trying to, it's got a little, okay, that was easy, and yes, it does still work, thankfully. Let's give it a shot. Why not? Here we go. Perfect. And it looks great. It looks amazing. Nice, tight, brand new. It's got a factory smell to it. But yeah, looks great. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. There are 3 more coming. I'll try to unpack them as well, along with the screen protector. Definitely for you guys to check it out. And once the screen protector comes, I'll apply it and take a video and show it to you guys. It's really worth it, guys. The MiBand 5, it has been tracking all my steps, my sleep pattern. It's got amazing other fitness modes like walking, jogging. I've not been doing any of that. So swimming, cycling. It's been monitoring my heart rate, my stress levels. It can be linked with your Google Fit app, all your record in the Google Fit app, because it's also running on my phone. So say for example, if this misses any steps and the phone captures it, they talk to each other, because I've linked those accounts using via the MiBand app, and they talk to each other and they exchange information. And if, say for example, some features like reports and dashboards are missing in the Mi app, you can find them in your Google Fit app. So it is amazing. So you have to use it. You have to buy this. I will leave the link, the product link, in the description for you guys if you've not checked my video for the for the fitness band itself. So I'll leave the link again. Do check it out for less than 30 bucks. I think that's more than what we need. We don't need more than all those expensive watches, as much as I like them, but they're way too expensive, like 200, 250 bucks, 300 bucks. I'm fine with this. I'm loving this. So anyways, hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, leave some comments, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.